Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty unboxing and review of BOSE QuietComfort Earbuds 2. I was so excited to get them anyway, I digress. Inside the box, you have the instruction manual, QuietComfort Earbuds, charging case, charging cable, oval ear tips, and stability bands. They come in 3 sizes. I used the AirPods Pro 2nd generation as a comparison against the QuietComfort Earbuds 2. I tested them when driving, highway and side streets, inside a busy shopping outlet, inside and out, walking and running. Running did not work with both brands at all. I also included lounging around watching YouTube videos. This is my review based on my experience with both products. For the audio performance, the BOSE has a little more in-depth, lifelike, crisp, clear audio experience over the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And during integration, both work across platforms and devices, but I must give it to Apple. The way they work seamlessly with iOS devices is spot on. You can't beat Apple's integration. Now, this is my biggest point: overall noise canceling performance and ear fit stability. BOSE, in my opinion, is the best overall, and especially in the low frequencies. And with the BOSE Active Sense, it offers a slightly stronger hearing protection over AirPods Pro 2nd generation. When making phone calls, I was told that the mic clarity on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation provided a more natural sound over the QuietComfort. The earbud physical controls on both pairs were acceptable, nothing to write home about. Battery life and case. The BOSE only wins because it uses USB-C, even though the AirPods has a smaller case and gets better battery life. My overall impression is that the BOSE QuietComfort 2 has awesome over-the-top noise canceling combined with the right soundstage. They check all the boxes except the wearability. What was BOSE thinking? They do not stay in the ear with the all-new stability band, period. They just fall out when walking, driving, making faces, looking down, and even when working on the PC. What a joke. The stability bands totally suck. And they deceive you because when you first put them in, they seem to stay, but they work themselves loose over a very, very, very short period of time. What happened to the tried and true stay ear wingtips? They were awesome. You could actually do a solid workout without losing an earbud. For me to recommend them now is like recommending my best friend to buy a Yugo, a definite no. Unless they fit your ears, but I don't see it without super glue or duct tape. Ole ole, another unboxing and review done right. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.